The alleged embezzlement of donations at the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir has triggered a major political confrontation, with 2 senior trustees resigning and 8 accused being sent to judicial custody in the multi-lakh rupee scam. General Secretary of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra Trust, Champat Rai, and trustee Anil Mishra stepped down, taking moral responsibility for the controversy. The FIR was registered on June 25 under the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita over the alleged misappropriation of temple donations. A special court in Ayodhya has remanded 8 accused, including public servants and State Bank of India employees, to judicial custody till June 29. Authorities have recovered Rs 79.85 lakh from the accused. Opposition targets BJP, demands accountability. The resignations intensified the political battle, with opposition leaders accusing the BJP of betraying the faith of devotees. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav alleged that the mask of the donation devotees had come off and termed the resignations only the beginning. AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal claimed influential people were trying to shield those involved, while AAP MP Sanjay Singh accused the temple administration of withholding an official photograph of Kejriwal's recent visit. Congress leader KC Venugopal demanded a probe by a sitting Supreme Court judge, while CPI General Secretary D. Raja said Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath should take responsibility for the alleged embezzlement. BJP defends action. SIT probe continues. The BJP rejected allegations of politicization, asserting that strict legal action is being taken. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath urged political parties not to hurt the sentiments of Ram devotees and appealed for evidence to be submitted before the special investigation team instead of making political accusations. Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak assured an impartial investigation, while Union Minister Kirtivardan Singh said those found guilty would not be spared. Newly appointed UP BJP Vice President Neeraj Singh termed the alleged embezzlement shameful but praised the government's swift response. Legal experts and VHP leaders called for systemic reforms to strengthen temple administration and ensure that devotees' offerings remain secure as the sit investigation continues.